Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Do you know that Twitter Circle allows you to send tweets to specific people and express your ideas with a similar group of people? Only the people that have joined your Twitter Circle may respond to and engage with the tweets you share in the circle. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Twitter Circle. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Twitter Circle. Now tap on Recommended option. You can either search the username or choose from the recommended. Now tap on Add and tap on Done. So that is how you create Twitter Circle. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.